Heavy fighting was reported yesterday in Läär area of Guit County following an attack involving forces linked to the South Sudan People Defense Forces against SPLA-IO. According to local source, the governor press secretary, Mr. Ko Kwang, sustained injuries during the incident. He was reportedly among members of the press present to document development in the area when the clashes occurred. Cameras used by the media team were also captured during the confrontation. Sources further report that 49 combatants were killed in the fighting, including the operation commander, his deputy, and an intelligence officer. In addition, approximately 30 canoes were seized during the operation. The situation in Läär remained tense, with limited independent verification available at the time of reporting. Authorities have not yet issued an official statement regarding the full extent of casualties and material loss. Further update will follow as more information become available.